Hi, in this lesson we want to discuss other patterns. Now, other patterns refer to patterns that do not fall under constant difference or constant ratios and can be diverse and may consist of any irregular structures. For example, the most common irregular pattern is the Fibonacci sequence. So if you take the Fibonacci sequence and you subtract the consecutive terms, you find between the first two terms the difference is 0. Then the difference goes to 1, then the difference becomes 1 again, and then the difference is 2. So as you can see, there is no common difference even between the second differences themselves. Therefore, with a Fibonacci sequence, we need a different type of reasoning. The general formula of a Fibonacci sequence is as follows. To find the nth term, we take the previous term and we add it to the term that comes before that previous term. So in any given Fibonacci sequence, the first two digits are always predetermined, and in this case 1 and 1 will always be there. So in order to get the next term, we add 1 plus 1 to get 2. Then in order to get term number 4, we'll add term number 3 and term number 2, 1 plus 2 to get 3, and so forth. We add 2 and 3, we get 5. To get the next term, we add 5 plus 3 to get 8. Therefore, this is called the Fibonacci sequence, and you may be asked to identify it or to apply some kind of logic that implements this. And with Fibonacci sequences, there are variations that you can get, namely Luke's sequence, which begins with a different number in the second term, but then the theory of it remains the same. To get the next term, we add the previous two terms, so in this case that will be 4, then 4 plus 3 to get 7, then 7 plus 4 to get 11, and so forth. So these are the other types of patterns that you can expect. There won't always be constant differences or constant ratios, but it is important that you analyze the other subtleties that may lie within the patterns. So that is other patterns.